This is Rick Rusin, and he is founder of Coast to Coast Products. He has been involved with PAGA, unfortunately, 2 PAGA lawsuits he's had to deal with. And as business owners who were interviewing to talk about their experience for the state of Washington, that community needs to understand what they're going to be faced with and dealing with if they do the same thing in Washington as done in California. Rick, what's your message to legislators in Washington who are considering private rights of action where they will unleash the privatized, deputized attorneys to come in and seek damages and penalties for people who aren't complying with labor laws?
If your goal and objective is to absolutely destroy small business in Washington, then you should definitely go with PAGA, because that's exactly what it's going to do. It's going to drive people out of the state. It's going to destroy lives of entrepreneurs, and it's going to negatively affect the employees who you think you're supposed to be protecting. Because when those companies move or those companies go out of business, or the entrepreneurs just say, this isn't worth it, I don't want to be in business anymore, they're not going to have jobs.
Rick, your one lawsuit was $4 million. $4 million, and you had a couple things that were wrong. What were those 2 things that were wrong?
Well, the one that killed me the most was there was a typo on the address on the paycheck stub, which wasn't even something we were providing. We were using a third-party payroll company, as many businesses do. I doubt anybody pulls out their pay stub because they forgot where they work, so they can put it into their GPS and remember where to drive in the morning. So I found that one to be obscenely stupid. The other infractions were all basically slicing and dicing our commission employment agreement and making up lies about it. The attorneys just made up lies about what the thing said and interpreted it their way to claim that we were paying the employees differently than what the contract said. The truth is we weren't. We were paying them exactly what the contract said. We're still paying them exactly the way the contract said. We just had to rewrite the contract to protect ourselves from lawyers slicing and dicing it again.
Unbelievable. Washington State, you beware. This is bad news. Don't let this law come to your town. Rick, thanks for talking to us.
My pleasure, Tom.